Hello everyone, my name is Pallavi. I have more than 15 years of experience in various industries. With Talent LG Technology, my journey has been for more than 6 years now, almost completing 7 years. So I have a couple of slips here, chits. So let me just pick up chit number 1 and see what question I'm asked to speak on. So the question that I have is 15 years, one lesson. Difficult to just talk about one lesson, but the foremost lesson that I can talk about is adaptability and willingness to learn. So that is one lesson that I've learned. If you're willing to learn, no matter at what stage and age you are, and whatever the position might be, you should be able to adapt yourself as per the role and responsibilities. One lesson that I had learned in my life was to learn no matter at what stage we are, and from there the adaptation starts, because the only one thing which is going to be constant, and that is change, and for that change you need to adapt. Oh my god, a wonderful question, but a very difficult question. It says your biggest leadership win. Truly speaking, a leader is always known to be a successful leader if whoever is working under that leader is growing, So for me, my win is my people. Oh wow. So it talks about vision 2025. What's the plan? Like, last year we had a vision that we are going to make a win-win-win as a principle, one of the vision. And what is the win that we used to talk about? We used to talk about, our employees being happy, our customers being happy, and finally the company being happy. Now that was one of the visions that we ensured last year. And again, this year, of course, our focus will always be, our most important asset, and that is you all, Talent LG employees. We will ensure this year we are going to put a lot of emphasis on achieving certifications and ensuring that you are being upskilled. So there will be training programs, there will be certification programs. Apart from that, we truly believe that we are already a global company. We have a presence across many countries where we have our clients. In fact, 35 plus countries where we have our clients. So one of the vision is also for us to have a better footprints in the markets that we're already at. Talent LG and you are a perfect match. Yes, it is definitely a perfect match, because see, I've been here for 7 years now. So definitely it's going great with them. The best part about Talent LG, about our founding director, Shilpi ma'am and Advait sir, they're completely people person. They will form a relationship with you the very moment you come into the company. Day one, they are going to meet you, talk to you, understand you. And the best part about the company is that they always try to understand our aspirations. They want to know, what exactly are we planning for ourselves, say 1 year down the line, 2 year down the line. And then definitely they want to map our aspirations to the company's goals and vision. So that's what I believe, that yes, Talent LG and we are a perfect match.
One word for Pallavi ma'am.
Icebreaker.
Very charismatic and confident.
Very innovative.
Confident. Skilled orator.
Optimistic.
Rich.
Good public speaker.
Good leader.
Entertainer. Motivational.
Confident. Leader.
Adventurous. Influencer.
Great leader.
Party person. She's amazing.
So thank you so much for these wonderful questions that came my way. I hope I was able to do justice to these good questions. Not easy to answer, but definitely fun to answer. And I wish Talent LG, all the employees and everybody who's listening to me, all the best in their future endeavors.